All right, you guys. So look, I want to go ahead and start this video off by asking you guys a question, and I would like to ask you guys to go ahead and drop your responses to this question down in the comment section below, because I'd really like to get your guys' feedback on this question. So my question to you is, when you log on to your stock market investing app, or when you go on your computer and you log into your investing brokerage account and you open it up and you see all of your investments are down, they are in the red, they are not green, they are not up, what is the most immediate reaction that you have? I want you to go ahead and head right now down to the comment section below and let me know exactly what your reaction is. And I will tell you guys in this video exactly what my reaction is. So like I said, drop down in the comment section below of this video, drop your comments in there. Let me know when you log on and you see your stocks or your ETFs or your index funds or whatever it is, whatever your investments are, when you log on and you see that they are all down, even when they're down like consecutive days, what is the most immediate reaction that comes to your mind? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so for me, myself personally, the way I respond when I see those situations happen, when I log on and I see, the individual stocks that I own, when I see that they're down, I'm not gonna lie to you, like my initial reaction is like, okay, like what's going on? Like why is this stock down, or how much is it down? And if I see, oh, it's just a little down, I probably don't think really honestly too much about it. But if I realize like, hey man, this stock's down 3, 4, 5% in a single day, then I go ahead and take a look. I go ahead and do a little bit of research on the company and see like, is there something that I really need to know about, or maybe something that I should be concerned about, like a fundamental issue that is going on with this company, and then I go ahead and take a look at it, see what's the news, see what's currently going on. And if I don't see any real significant, type of headline or story or something associated with this company where I really need to be, concerned with my investment, I don't let it bother me. And if anything, I just go ahead and look and see, does it make sense for me to go ahead and, basically buy the dip on that specific investment? And if I see, hey, I like where it's at, price wise, it's even better priced for me, then I go ahead and add to my position. Now, if I've ever had a situation where I looked at a stock or some type of stock market investment and I looked and was like, hey man, something's really fundamentally wrong here. When I see all that, investment going down, I see all that red and I'm like, hey, something's really wrong here. And then I look it up and recognize, yeah, there's like a real problem here. Like this is no longer, this company or this investment is no longer doing the type of things that, I expected it to, or like it was once doing when I first got into it, or even what I was expecting it to do going forward when I initially, made the investment into it. And if I see those type of things, then most definitely I'm going to probably go ahead and hit that sell button and go ahead and get out, because clearly there's some type of real core fundamental, flaw or problem, something going on with this business that I no longer want to be associated with it. I don't want to continue to hold that stock or, whatever that particular investment is. I no longer want to be associated with it. I no longer want to own it. That is typically going to be the way that I respond to my stock market investments when I see they're trading down, they're in the red, especially if they're like consistently in the red. But like 99.99% of the time when I see my stock market investments are in the red, I'm really fully aware of what's going on with those companies. I understand that there's times when the market goes up, and then of course, when the market goes up, you see most companies go up, most stocks go up, most stock market investments go up during those times. And then also the flip side, when the stock market is going down, typically you see most of the stocks in the stock market are going to go down. So when that's happening to my investments, I just understand, hey, this is more of a market thing. This is not a company specific situation. So as long as it's not a real core fundamental issue that is specific to the investment that I'm holding to, I'm most likely just going to dig deeper, buy the dip on that specific investment. And like I said, that's how I personally respond when I see my stock market investments take a dip, they're in the red, or they're continually in the red. So like I said at the beginning of this video, let me know in the comment section below how you guys respond when you guys see your stock market investments are in the red, whether it's for a day, 2 days, consecutively. How do you react? What is your immediate reaction? Do you think, man, I need to sell this right now? Does it scare you? Does it freak you out? What is your initial response? Drop it in the comment section below. And then what's gonna happen next is a video is gonna pop up here on the screen. I want you to go ahead and click that video, and I will see you guys in that next video.